Most people use Claude like a faster Google. That's why the output's always average. AI doesn't replace deep work. It punishes shallow work. But aim it right, and 4 hours beats your whole week. The 4-hour compile. 4 modes. Mode 1. Aim. Most people fail right here. They type, "Help me with this," and wander for an hour. Instead, spend 10 minutes on a brief. Not, "Write me a landing page," but a landing page for this audience, in this voice, that drives one clear action. Give Claude the outcome, the context, your constraints, and what great looks like. Drop it in a project so it works inside your world, not a blank chat. Then make it attack the plan before you build. Aim badly, and AI just helps you fail faster. Mode 2. Build. Here's where people stall, chasing a perfect first draft. Don't. You can't improve a blank page. Tell Claude to produce the first complete version. Ugly, but whole. Structure over polish. One full draft. The deck, the script, the code. Push it into an artifact so the work lives on a canvas, not buried in a chat. Because once it exists, you can attack it. Mode 3. Break. Everyone skips it, and it's the whole game. Most people use Claude to generate. The top 1% use it to attack. Take your draft and tell Claude to drop the helpful act and become a ruthless critic. Find the weak logic, the generic lines, the exact spot a reader checks out. Ask it the killer question. Where would a smart skeptic stop reading? Then rewrite. Keep what's strong, cut what's generic, sharpen the rest. The same tool that wrote it can tear it apart, but only if you tell it to challenge you, not flatter you. Mode 4. Ship. Deep work isn't done when you feel productive, it's done when something's real. So stop exploring and package. Have Claude turn everything into the final deliverable, plus a summary, a publish checklist, and your next 3 moves. Lock the timer. Work expands to fill the time you give it, so 4 hours forces the finish. End with an asset, not a conversation. One last move. Before you close the laptop, ask Claude for a closeout. What got done, what's left, your next 3 steps. Close the loop, or your brain keeps the tab open all night. That's how you protect tomorrow's session. Aim, build, break, ship. That's 4 hours into your unfair advantage. Don't just prompt, direct. Subscribe if growth isn't optional. The prompts are in the description.